Average renovation costs in Vancouver, 2026. Condos, partial $40,000 to $80,000. Townhouses, partial $70,000 to $120,000. Single family, interior $120,000 to $250,000. Full renovations, $250,000 to $450,000 or more. Older homes cost more due to upgrades. Renovation cost components. Labor, 35 to 45%, including management and trades. Materials, 35 to 45%, including flooring, cabinets, fixtures, and finishes. Permits and design, 5 to 10%. Key cost drivers increasing expenses. Structural wall removals. Plumbing and electrical relocations. Outdated systems in older buildings. Custom cabinetry or luxury finishes. Condo strata restrictions. Smart budgeting tips. Budget realistically and avoid lowest bids. Use licensed professionals. Finalize design and materials before demolition for savings. Planning a Vancouver renovation? Partner with Grand Renovations for expert cost control and proper building the first time. Contact Grand Renovations to plan right and manage your renovation efficiently.